Hi, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative, and I would like to show you an easy way to make this fun shaker dashboard for your planner. Hi, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be setting up this size A5 planner. This is a Kikki K planner, and I will be using this sticker book from my shop, the Pretty Plan sticker book, and I will also be using these adhesive square pockets. These are from the Target dollar spot. These are normally $3. You can get these at Target, but that is what I will be using. Some tools that you will need: washi tape, some type of glue tape, a razor, scissors, and ruler. So these are the supplies that I will be using. The first step is to cut a piece of cardstock that fits inside your adhesive pocket. Use it as a template to make a window on your dashboard. Then cut the window out using a razor, or you can also use scissors by cutting out the center first and then the outside. After you've cut out your window, you'll cut another one out of glitter paper or any other cardstock to make a frame for your window. Glue your frame to your dashboard, and now it is time for the fun part, time to decorate. Choose a piece of cardstock for the inside of your adhesive pocket, and now it's time to decorate it. For mine, I chose this hustle sticker from the Pretty Plans sticker book, and I am just mounting it onto some gold glitter paper, and I'm just going to cut it out so it has a border around it. Once you've decorated your card, slip it into the adhesive pocket, and then we're going to take off the backing and we're going to place it onto a piece of white cardstock that is larger than your dashboard. I'm using a 12 by 12 sheet piece of paper, and this just makes it easier to add your sequins and glitter or whatever else you want to put inside of your shaker. This also makes it easier to fill it since it's mounted on to something flat. And of course I am using gold sequins because they are my favorite. Once you have filled your pocket, you can seal it with a piece of washi tape or some clear Scotch tape. Glue your dashboard onto the piece of white cardstock and cut it out. We're almost done. Our dashboard is pretty much done at this point, but I think it needed a little extra touch. So I'm going to add one of the stickers from the Pretty Plain sticker book. This is one of the planner dolls. I'm going to add her in maybe a word sticker or two and call this done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for more planner inspiration.